Excellencies, I'm coming from Pakistan, where floods have devastated ordinary life over there. Millions of people have been displaced. 1,400 people have been killed, including 400 children. And million houses have been partially or completely damaged. I've been in public life for the last 40 years. I've never seen with my eyes this kind of terrible devastation. It is catastrophic, of proportions unknown to the people of Pakistan, and of course, by extension, to the entire world. We are very grateful to honorable members sitting on this table who have come to our help at this time of dire need, when millions of people are living under open skies. Stagnant water is giving rise to waterborne diseases. Children getting malaria and diarrhea, temperature, all kinds of diseases have hit millions of Pakistanis in those marooned areas. Great faces sitting on this table, which I know personally, have been extremely kind to the people of Pakistan generally, and to the affected people especially, for extending their support, valuable support, at this time of need. But the question at issue is that while I count the damages inflicted upon us, like standing crops over hundreds and thousands of acres, all washed away. Livestock, 1 million livestock, all gone. And I'm not going to pitch any figure for the purpose of letting you know what is the quantum of economic loss, but it definitely runs into billions of dollars as I speak. By the grace of God and with Allah's help and your support, we will fight it out, inshallah, and we will be over the hump soon, one day soon. But the question at issue is that while the President, my brother Shafqat, has spoken about climate change, these devastating floods in Pakistan are most definitely climate change induced. It is a result of climate change. Cloud outbursts, unprecedented rains, combined with hill torrents coming down, all this put together made Pakistan look like sea of water in all the four corners of Pakistan.